Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. We're going to be testing out some foldable aluminum ramps here. Two different sizes, and they're both ones that you can get on Amazon. We'll be describing what my buddy has done to them here to help him out just a little bit and give you some of the dimensions of them. And I'll drop the link in the description of where you can get a couple of these yourself if they turn out good. We're also going to be using some different size trucks here to test them out. As you can see, I got the Quake here, the Arma Centon, and then for 8 scale, I got the Arma Creighton. And so here we have Tom's trucks, the same Arma Quake, just in a different color. Very similar to the Centon, the Fury, just 2-wheel drive version. He's got the Traxxas Haas 4x4, which is a 10th scale truck, and then the Almighty Italian. So we've got some pretty even trucks here to try out. We'll put the ramps over there, but then you can tell us about the ramps a little bit. All right, so since these are two different ramps, we're first gonna just measure the width of it and the length. It looks like this larger one is 37.5 wide, like 40 inches long. Oh, 39 long. And these are adjustable, but not by a ton. About 14 inches high. Now let's test this little guy. 37.25 wide and about 19.5 long and about 9 inches high. Well, thanks to these, right? Oh, actually. So you had done a couple things to this, right?
Yeah, so a couple modifications. I saw some other YouTubers say that the ramp itself is pretty slick. They're losing traction. So you can get traction tape from Home Depot, big box store, Amazon. And essentially it's self-adhesive 80 grit sandpaper. So that should give her traction. The other complaint sometimes is that the pins used to lock it together, sometimes they're easily lost. So they're 5mm pins or 3/16 pins. And what I did is I got some coupler pins from a trailer with the same width. I can keep these pins with this at all times so I don't lose it. I bought some extra ones for the bigger ramp. They just haven't come in yet.
All right, so this is an angle tester here that he's got. He just zeroed it out and we're gonna test the angle. It looks like 31.5 degrees on this one.
That'll be the angle
of takeoff. Yeah, all right. Now this one's steeper, it's smaller, but it's quite a bit steeper. 41.4. All right, so short and steep versus long and more shallow, but this one's probably going to be better for an 8th scale given the size. So I'll probably start with the smaller ones. You want to start with the Quake or the short course? Quake's probably going to jump better. Wheelie King over here. I haven't driven this since I went mud bashing with it. Whoa. The Quake is so hard to control in the air. You can't nose down. So far, so good. Nice. The turtle. We should call it the turtle. You want to try this other one with this? All right, so let's compare that with how the little bit longer ramp feels. Definitely launches it farther. Yeah, nice. Nice. Oh, the body came off. Oh, barely hit it. So let's try the short course trucks now. Nice. That tears through that dirt. A lot easier to drive this truck straight than the Quake. That's a good reminder. One of the benefits of the short course trucks. They don't roll nearly as easily. Let's start with this one, just like the last one here. Let's see how this goes. Whoa! Oh, that's too straight up. Yeah, see? Jeez. Too much. All right. Is it a lot of work to lower the angle? Huh?
It's not terrible.
Let's check this one. Wow. Oop. If it had more air control, that would have been awesome. Yeah, that's what stinks, is no air control. Oh. Oh, that's nice. So last but not least, let's do the 8 scales. All right, so I guess we'll start with, let's start with the bigger one here. Ooh, that's nice. That felt good. Ooh, oh. Let's try this little guy, even though I'm kind of scared to. Oh yeah, it's just a hard hit. So that one's no good for these trucks, at least. That one's hard, it's so vertical. Nice. Oh! Bing. I made for a good shot. We got to find that nut. Here. All right, so I found an extra wheel nut. You're not going to jump this one? But yeah, so they're a good little ramp. One of the other things I'm testing is it's really windy out here at points, and I was trying to see if these ramps would blow all over the place, but they're not. They're lightweight, but they're not that light. Nice. Yeah, they have a great angle. Oh, dude, what? Did you like tighten it as my 7-year-old would have? It's the same wheel.
Yeah. That's weird.
Oh yeah, no, that's too hard. I think for this heavy truck, it just immediately bottoms out. It's too much. Whoa, that was close. Oh my God. Can't get any closer. I better stop pushing my luck. Just a little more tent scale jumping. Oh God, scared me. Nice. Oh, I've really beaten this thing to a pulp. Ah. Now that's four-wheel drive, right? Four-wheel drive, 10th scale. Oh, I just did a nice long wheelie. Oh. This ramp is better with these, and the other one is better for the bigger ones.
Oh, the ramps are holding up pretty well.
Yeah, they are. So no damage, right? We'll check it out after. Oh, God. That scared me. I thought we were gonna, oh, let me try. The Quake's terrible for flipping cars over. Because that happens. Because I rarely get the opportunity for someone else to, oh, nice. Was that a button?
Yeah.
Oh, can you knock mine over?
Make it out.
Yeah. Mating season.
I'll see if I can get it in the back.
Haas versus Quake. Oh, up the rear. Dang it. Oh my God. Oh no. That was a front flip. Oh my God. How is this thing still alive? Do you see that? This is a durability test of the ramps as well. Nice. All right, for all the marbles here. Oh, yes. Yes. That was awesome. Yes. I'm wheeling right before it, so it's making it go crazy. Oh, did that break the ramp?
No, I was just gonna straighten it out.
Okay.
You tore the traction tape off it.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay.
Ripped the traction tape.
It's funny, there's remnants of your car on it.
Oh, really?
Like purple marks.
All right, I'll just do one more. Try not to do that. Nice. That was a little better. Purple marks from the Quake.
Turned out to be great.
Yeah. So guys, what I've learned is that this ramp, which I'll link here, is really good for what seems like the 8th scale, as well as the 10th scale, and greater for distance. Does this one adjust too? Let's see. So that would mean that it's at the most vertical angle already. So if you try to adjust it, it's only going to go lower, so that's not going to help that. But that is my favorite for the bigger trucks. This one I didn't like at first. I did adjust the angle to be a little less vertical, and then I did like it just because it's so short. Having a vertical angle is really not doing much. It's just like hitting a wall, especially for a heavier truck. But for lighter trucks like the Quake, this thing was perfect. And as you saw, I was sending this thing off the Quake. It did sustain a little damage. Not too much, actually, just ripped the tape a little. This tape is a good idea, so we definitely would recommend that. I'll put a link of the tape as well. Just kind of scuffed it up, but overall, these things are tough, durable, and despite the wind, they didn't even blow anywhere. So that's another big advantage. When the smaller one is folded down, it is incredibly portable, very, very light. I mean, like I can hold it with one hand up like this, and there's really nothing to it. That one is a little heavier, and there's more to it in terms of setting it up, just because there's a crossbar. There's 4 pins instead of just 2 on this. So one little difference. Let's see how both of them fit in my car too.
Say the only thing to watch out for is because this is just sandpaper, you wouldn't want to rub it up against your carpet or the sides of the car or anything. So what I did is I take moving blankets from Harbor Freight. I put one on the bottom and one on top. So
okay.
There's no part of the car that's scratched up.
Good idea. But we'll scratch it up for YouTube purposes here just to show. So the Tesla trunks are deeper than kind of the average sedan, but this does fit in there nicely. And this one would be even easier. Wow, so that's super easy. That's actually, this one's actually even easier than my plastic ramps because those don't fit in here and I have to kind of move them around. And this is with the seats up, so very nice. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.